In a sunlit kitchen, a curious student builds a tiny water harp with bottles, a rack, and patience. Each bottle holds a different water depth, turning gentle breaths across rims into a clear musical note. Adjusting water depths lets them craft a simple scale, proving physics hides in everyday objects. The lesson covers resonance and air pressure, with no chemicals involved, just careful listening and careful observation. When the last note fades, the kitchen becomes a tiny studio, inspiring plans for future experiments.